Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and with a comment that I had from a couple of users, I just want to make it clear because I think some people realize they don't have some of the features we talk about, and that it must be for pro versions, for example. All the features that are rolling out this week and with Patch Tuesday that I talk about are features that are available for every version of Windows, home users, pro, and so on. So if you don't see it, the problem is, even though Microsoft did say that, we're going to give all the users the, features right away, and we're not going to do those controlled feature releases, it's still like that right now. So if you don't see the calendar fly out in the Windows updates to pause updates, it's possible that it's not there yet. Point in time restore Microsoft, and this is where we often talk about Microsoft not giving out details or not explaining things correctly. So Microsoft says that, for example, point in time restore is officially available for the general population. The thing is a lot of people don't see it and don't have it yet, even with the preview updates installed yesterday. So that just tells you that no, it's a controlled feature release. I have it. A lot of people might not have it. It is something that is rolling out, and there's a lot of other features within the preview update that are rolling out. So it will arrive within the next days to weeks. Once again, I hope Microsoft lives up to its promise that it will stop doing controlled feature releases, because it is annoying. A lot of people are looking at a point-in-time restore and thinking, "Wow, this is cool," or the Windows update calendar fly out to pause update, and they're like, "Well, that's kind of lame. I don't have it." And I'm tired of some of you having the features, some of you not having the features. Same for me. For example, they're talking that in one of the details of the features of the rollout of the update, the preview update, is that it should be better with the widgets, and there shouldn't be a by default it shouldn't open when you hover over the widgets. So the thing is here is that this is something that is still happening, which means that part, I don't have that new feature where it's supposed to be quieter and easier to manage. And there's a lot of other things also that might not be there. For example, it rolls out better quality connections on Bluetooth, and even some of the updates this month gives the ability for some devices, it depends on the device that you have, to actually connect two Bluetooth devices to the same audio source. So all of these things, some have them, some don't, and I'm hope that soon we're all going to be on the same tune and have the same features at the same time. It would be a lot better. But don't worry. If you're on a home version of Windows, you are getting all of these features also eventually on your system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.